Hello, today we are going to do a simple fix to fix a leaky valve. Actually, I woke up this morning and when what I discovered is there is a pool of water in my bathroom. It's very easy. So the first thing that you'll do is to find out what size of valve that you need to replace. And in my case, I have a half-inch and 3/8 valve that I need to buy. So the first thing you'll do is to make sure you turn off your main source of water. It could be located inside your house, and some houses, their main valve, which is their source of water, are located outside of their house. So the tools that you'll need is a Teflon tape and adjustable pliers. So do the best you can to remove the old valve by turning it using a wrench clockwise. Okay, if you are not familiar with a Teflon tape, this is a Teflon tape. You wrap this around the pipe thread. So this will create a water seal so water will not leak out when you put the new valve in. There you have it. And then you can easily just slide it back in, and in my case I use the same bolts that is attached on the valve, and it's still in good shape, so I just use the same one that's already in there. And we're almost done. Just turn the knob counterclockwise and tighten it up just a little bit, just enough to tighten the bolts without over tightening it, so the water will not leak out, and of course you won't damage the valve.